Layers are a very important feature of Photoshop. They were introduced with version 3, and since then they have enhanced many of the functionality of these layers. Now, layers don't always have to be a part of the image. They can be used for other functions. Let's get close into this image right here and look at this window scene. This was created entirely in Photoshop. Now, this is made up of many layers, but not all the layers are actually being seen. Back here I have a actual layered file, an early version of the scene. And as we start to look at all the different layers here, now you'll notice I didn't name them because I was working very quickly at the time. Hopefully in your case you would name them. But when we look at the dune scenes here, there's one layer right here at top which is not part of the image. Now this layer is very similar to when I used to paint on canvas. I would take a pencil and just draw out all my lines, my shapes, and my areas where color would be added later. That's what's happening here. I'm using this particular layer simply as a guide where all the additional details will be added. As we start to click on the other layers, we see what is happening throughout this scene. Let's come way down here and start looking at the scenes from this area. Here we see this dark grass that was put into that little triangular area, and there's a lighter grass behind it, and other clumps of dark grass on top. And you can see there's multiple layers that are being built up to form the entire shape of these dunes that are visible through the window. As I keep turning on areas, you'll see that different little pieces of grass appear. Here's the bushes in the background, and there's the grass further away. Now these three levels that we're seeing here, the one way in the back, the triangle in the middle, and this foreground area, were all done with a single brush. They were done with the grass brush, which I developed for this painting and is included in the program. It is this brush right here. Right there, the little grass brush. I'm going to show you how that brush was created later on.